Good day, and welcome to Stock News. I'm Leo, and today we're taking an in-depth look at Sony Group Corporation's fiscal fourth quarter 2024 earnings report, a performance that has exceeded expectations and reinforced investor optimism. Sony reported consolidated sales of 28.97 billion, or 4.41 trillion Japanese yen, marking an impressive 18% year-over-year growth and topping analyst expectations of 23.78 billion. Earnings per share came in at 0.41, significantly beating the consensus of 0.30. These results reflect robust execution across key segments, with the company's strategic focus on gaming and streaming continuing to pay dividends. In the Game and Network Services segment, revenue increased by 16% year-over-year to 1.68 trillion yen, and operating income soared by 37% to 118.1 billion yen. This strong performance was driven by higher sales of non-first-party game software titles, network services, and hardware, underscored by the sale of 9.5 million PS5 units this quarter, up from 8.2 million in the previous year. Sony's music segment also delivered solid growth, with revenue rising 14% to 481.7 billion yen, and operating income growing by 28% to 97.4 billion yen, thanks in part to increased streaming service revenues and the strategic consolidation of Plus Inc. in its visual media and platform group. Meanwhile, the Pictures segment experienced a 9% revenue increase to 398.2 billion yen, driven by higher theatrical releases, the acquisition of Alamo Drafthouse Cinema, and a surge in Crunchyroll's paid subscribers, though higher marketing costs led to an 18% decline in operating income to 34 billion yen. Other segments presented mixed results. The Entertainment, Technology and Services division saw a 4% decline in revenue to 704.5 billion yen, with operating income holding steady at 77.1 billion yen. Imaging and Sensing Solutions remained flat at 500.9 billion yen in revenue, while its operating income slipped by 2% to 97.5 billion yen. Notably, Financial Services revenue surged by 130% to 718.5 billion yen, although operating income fell 40% to 46.4 billion yen. Overall, consolidated operating income increased by 1% to 469.3 billion yen, and net income grew by 3% to 373.7 billion yen. Sony ended the quarter with a robust cash position of 2.49 trillion yen. Looking ahead, Sony has raised its outlook for fiscal 2024, now expecting sales of 88.00 billion, or 13.20 trillion yen, significantly above the consensus of 81.59 billion. This positive forecast, along with a 16% surge in its stock over the past 12 months and a recent trading increase of 6.99% to 23.51, underscores Sony's strong market position. Investors can gain exposure to Sony through funds like the Avantis International Equity ETF, AVDE, and the Avantis International Large Cap Value ETF, AVIV. In summary, despite some mixed results in certain segments, Sony's Q4 earnings highlight impressive growth in gaming, music, and streaming, solidifying its position as a market leader and setting the stage for further success. Thank you for joining me on Stock News. I'm Leo. Stay tuned for more in-depth market insights and analysis. Have a great day.